This will be how to measure, how to use the ruler on TradingView. So we're going to use US oil right now as an example. We'll take the measuring stick that's located right here on the side of the screen, pick a spot we want to measure from a low to high or high to low, doesn't really matter. On US oil specifically, it only has 4 digits. So the way that you would read it is it goes up by $4.20. In this instance, this would be 4,200 pips. If there would be 5 decimal places, this would show up as a 4200. So already when we have a currency pair that only has 4 total places, right? So 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Typically we would have 1 or 2 in the front and 4 in the back. Any JPY would be 3 in the front, 3 in the back. So whatever the case is, measure from bottom to top. On the US, you will notice that there's, or US oil, you're going to notice that there's only 3. So that would be 4,510. Okay, there is no 0 here. That's how this one is going to be measured. Just as give you an example, here is XTI USD, which is also an oil index. Don't worry about my markings right now, but we'll do the same thing. We'll go from a low to a high, and you're going to notice that there are 4 places here, right? It goes up by $4.51 and 7/10 of a cent, right? So that's 7/10, that is 1 pip. 10 pips, 100 pips, 1,000 pips. Okay? Same thing as we would go from top to bottom, right? It would just show up in the negative. So same idea, 1,000, 100, 10, 1. Okay? Let's go over to a currency pair. Let's pick AUD USD. Same sort of idea. Take the ruler, pick a spot you want to measure from, down, and now you have 67.9 pips. That's how this one is going to be measured. Okay, so Forex currency pairs will very likely have this decimal point. That is what you call a pipette, right? So that's 1/10 of a pip, 1 pip, 10 pips. And that concludes the tutorial.